Oh boy, this is gonna be a difficult one.
Try to help you do it.
We'll try to flip him.
Maybe stick your thumb in his mouth, maybe.
He slipped out.
I noticed.
I'm just gonna show it from here. Well, I got the shirt dirty, so at this point it don't matter. I'll just keep my shirt.
Oh man. Had a feeling that could happen. Alright.
Yeah, me too. Just go ahead and get him in.
He's a little skin up.
We showed him enough. That gum, he was huge. Yeah, this is huge. Ooh.
He got skin up a little bit. That's probably a 20-pound fish, so.
Ew.
But he's out there, and I got snot all over me.
Yeah, me too.
This rock is moving. Well, looks like the buffalo are roaming out here.
Yep. They definitely are.
Wish they'd leave us alone a little bit so we could get a carp. Or 2, or 5. All right. I'm gonna have to rinse that net off in a minute.
Yeah, my arms are soaked.
It's full of snot. Look out for that hook.
You want me to go ahead and get this one out for you?
If you want to go ahead and bait it, that's fine.
What, you said take it?
I said bait it.
Oh, bait it. That's what I said. Sure.
Those kids over there are pretty excited about that.
Yeah, I know.
It was a big fish.
Mm-hmm. You remember the Chicago family?
Yeah.
They're like, you mind if we use your stuff to catch the fish?
Remember that that one day you weren't with me? Well, that I ended up naming it Bebe's Point
Oh, yeah.
because I got overrun by Bebe's kids.
Yeah.
Little dude said he was taking my speaker.
Hey, yeah, I remember. You're like, what would your dad say if you realized that you were up to take my stuff? He's like, oh, he don't care. You don't care.
Well, I dropped the little corn keep thing, and I think I'm just gonna have to get a new one because there's like little to no chance I'm gonna find it down there.
What?
Well, it's just a little bitty thing. It's gonna be hard to see, especially when you're old like me.
Well, I'm not old, so I can look.
Just a little tiny green piece of plastic. I don't see it. Watch out for that hook above your head.
Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and just grab it.
As soon as you grab it, I'm gonna find it.
Probably. Sounds about right.
I found some fake corn. Whoa. Something wet just landed on my butt. Something wet landed.
So, you got splashed by the water or a bird pooped on you? One of the two.
It was splashed by the water, I think. Well, I give up.
Well, I have a new one, so.
Ever had somebody throw a piece of fake corn at you?
Not that I recall.
Stuck to my feet. Ever had somebody throw 2 pieces of fake corn at you?
Not that I recall.
What about 3 pieces?
I don't know that what you've done so far you could really call throwing them at me. Oh, that one you got me.
I don't know where the fake corn went. I'm throwing some out. Here, I'm gonna let you throw it out because I've been doing terrible at casting today.
Hey,
I'm
what's
doing
up,
pretty good.
Lockhart? Doing pretty good. Catching too many buffalo and not enough carp. But other than that, all I can say is at least it's not turtles. Okay, this one's ready for bait now. I think that said asheville turtle. At first I thought it said bashful turtle.
I hope you don't catch a turtle.
Yeah. Here comes that odd boat again. It's like,
Oh yeah.
almost like a mini pontoon or something, but it's not really a pontoon. Kind of a cool boat.
No, it's funny.
What?
Sometimes when we're fishing here at this park, we get like a fan base behind us watching, like we do right now.
Yeah, we do get that sometimes. We get our spectators.
Yeah. Sometimes people even fish with us. Like that one time, we let the guy reel in a rod because, you know.
Because I was doubled up?
Yeah, you're doubled up and I wasn't here. All the cool stuff happens on my here. Baby. You let that dude reel in the rod. Oh yeah, I remember that one time when caught like a 15-pounder while I wasn't there, and that was like back when my PB was 10, and I was kind of upset about it. I was like, dang it, I should have gone. I could have caught me a 15.
Well, most of the time when you don't come, there's a legitimate reason for it.
Yeah. That time, I think it was, there's a Trash Pandas game, and I was supposed to go to a Trash Pandas game and then come after, but I was just exhausted. And I kind of regretted it after I remembered. So I was like, oh.
I think they're playing Billie Jean. At least that's what the beat sounds like.
Ow.
Okay, most of the snot came off.
Like my moves?
Uh-oh. How long has our earpieces been disconnected?
I hope not long, but...
I heard Lockhart not long ago, so... Look how big these scales are that came off that fish.
Oh, that was then. Like, we didn't miss anything.
Cool.
I could be the next Michael Jackson.
Could you now?
Even though he was overrated.
Here you go again. Rage
Okay.
baby.
I'll admit I was wrong about the Michael Jackson part. And Elvis was pretty good, but I'm not going to sit here and say I was wrong. The person who did Great Balls of Fire, they should have gotten more appreciation. Elvis Presley.
What was that, like Little Richard or something like that?
I don't really know. What, me and Michael Jackson? I could do it. Ow.
Yeah. The same.
Get the moonwalk. Also the same.
I call that wiping your feet on the rug.
Okay.
That's what that was.
Well, if we're really naming it by a moonwalk, I mean...
No, I'm talking about what you did.
Oh, what I did.
Of course, in fairness, there's not a lot of room out here to go walk. So.
Wind makes
There's
me
barely enough room to walk.
This wind makes me feel unstoppable.
We may be trying to put together a little trip out to Dale Hollow Lake, and Lockhart may be involved in that.
And what might be involved?
Lockhart, the person who's talking to us right
Oh,
now. Middle on rod 2.
trip to where I kind of zoned out. 'cause I
Dale
thought I
Hollow
saw-
Lake.
Dale Hollow. Okay, I thought I saw somebody who I knew. So,
You could
I
have.
zoned out.
You do that a lot.
I do that a lot. I do that a lot. Seriously.
Oh boy.
Oh yeah, which lake again? Sorry.
Dale Hollow Lake.
Dale Hollow Lake.
Northern Tennessee.
I'm gonna forget that. in 5
Carp
minutes.
capital of the U.S. maybe?
Oh yeah, that place. I've always just called it the carp capital.
Definitely getting nibbles over there, but I don't know.
Oh baby, talk like
You need the carp to be able to, get the bait first.
yeah, they can't get to the buffalo do.
Instead of the buffaloes. The buffalo are roaming.
The carp are going on strike. Dale Hollow Lake.
That is the name of the lake.
Yep. I never remember putting these in my pocket. Every time I go fishing, they just spawn in my pocket. Never remember putting them in.
What about your pocket knife?
Oh yeah, that I do remember putting it in.
So you did bring it. That's what I was just wondering if you remembered to bring it.
Yep, I did. I always forget to bring my pocket knife, but I brought it this time. I just find these in my pocket every time. I have no clue where they come from. I always think I put them back in my tackle bag.
Did your mom ever know that you cut yourself with your pocket knife?
No. Well, Mom's on stream, so I can tell the story.
Yeah, she's at a baby shower, so she's probably not paying attention.
Yeah, so we can
Or
tell the
watching.
story finally. So, I was fishing at the pond one time, didn't stream it, it was just before... What was that? That was
Easter?
Easter. Yeah, that was Easter. That was the recent one. So, Easter, and we were out, I think... Oh yeah, we're throwing that little airplane thing
Yeah.
that our grandparents got us. and I had it clipped onto my belt, and it opened up. I didn't know about it. Have no clue for how long it was opened up. Then I flipped my finger across it. You can't really see it, but I have a little bit of a scar. You can't see it.
I was gonna say it's probably gonna disappear completely before it's said and done.
And yeah, I didn't think it was bad at all, but you know, it started bleeding. We got it figured out. Went home with Dad, and after that it was scabbed up, and she never noticed. And we didn't tell her because she might not notice.
We learned from the experience.
Yeah, we did learn though. See, now I have it clipped up in my pocket, so if it slides out, I'll know it immediately. It'll hit the side of the pocket. I learned.
You live, you learn.
Yep.
Dang, careful, kid. The kid was coming down a little faster than I thought was probably advisable.
You remember when there was that kid on the bike?
Oh yeah.
And he kept on going back and forth. And then we didn't see him for like a good 5 minutes. And he came down the hill. I thought he was about to hit that rock. He just go flying.
I thought we were about to watch that little kid just tumble head first down.
Yeah.
Right too. It wouldn't be nice if I
this looks
called
like
him
a carp.
Thumbelina. That's probably a carp there.
Yeah, this feels like a carp.
Running left. Let's get this line.
He
up.
wants to go to that bridge. Cause,
Oh, he's going to get in this line. There, almost no doubt. Yeah, he's in it already.
he went in it.
Try to just stay this way if you can.
Oh!
He may come back.
I think it just popped off.
Oh, he might have to the rocks. Oh man, this is about to be a problem.
Yeah, that fish ain't there.
Try putting the rod over that side. No, it's over here.
It's snagged now.
Here, let me see.
It's snagged.
Yeah, let me see.
Dang it, that fish just ruthless. Been watching this fish this time. Oh goodness. Carp. Gotta get to that net. Cause Dad's not here. I gotta get Dad's definitely coming.
Alright, this one's broke off, but I'll retie it in a second.
You gonna be able to net for me?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll get out of the door.
That sounded like a carp too.
Yep, definitely felt like a carp.
Hate you lost that one.
Yeah, that sucked. He feels nice.
I haven't seen him yet.
Yeah, I haven't seen him either. He feels good though.
Dang, now that one's trying to get in that line. Oh, he's under it. We're good there.
Yeah.
We're good. Caught a glimpse of it, but I couldn't tell much.
Me too.
It's a carp. Oh, sorry guys. The earpieces had cut out probably when I went way over there. So we just got chat back. So if we missed something, we'll catch up in a minute. Sorry about that. Yeah, it looks decent. He definitely likes to run.
He fought harder than he was, but we got him.
So there is a bounty for guessing the weight of the fish.
For guessing the weight of the fish?
Yep. you got to get real close though. Like there's a certain amount for an exact guess, and then another amount for a close guess.
Okay. Give me
Can't remember exactly how close.
7.52.
7.52.
Yep.
I don't think that's a bad guess. Oh, stop it. 7.52.
I might have overshot it.
I don't think you overshot it. If you did, not by much.
Okay.
I think that's relatively close. All right. Well, take that.
Yep,
Reel that up a little bit over there. No, we gotta weigh it.
Oh yeah, wait.
Reel this up over here a little bit.
Go ahead and look up.
All right. JB's first carp of the tourney. And you said 7.52
Yeah.
after the net?
Yeah, after that. So what would that be after that?
Well, we'd have to do the math. You missed it by a bit. This fish is bigger than that.
Really?
This fish is going to be almost 9 pounds.
Oh, nice.
I'm sorry, almost 10 pounds.
Oh, that's good. I'd rather overshoot it than not, or I'd rather undershoot it than overshoot it. So.
If this thing will ever lock. There it goes.
Oh, I thought it was like the Price is Right rules, like closest without going over. Oh, my bad.
All right, now you can show your fish.
Okay. Is there a bounty for being like super far off?
Yeah. Just show it real quick so they can get in the clip.
I can't.
It's gonna be like almost 10 pounds.
Okay. There we go. Not bad fish. That's full common. About 10.
Careful.
He just start doing acrobatics. Isn't it crazy there's probably a snake near me?
Let's don't talk about it. All right, I'm gonna let you rebait that one and get it back out while I retie this one.
Okie dokie. Question is, do I put it over there? Or do I put it out here? I'll put it over there.
I was gonna say, I don't think it matters, whichever way you want. All right. And we'll catch up on chat in just a minute too, since we disconnected for a minute. Need to put a few more method feeders in my bag, maybe next time. Only got a couple left in there. Definitely not something we want to run out of.
Wait, what's something we don't want to run out of?
Method feeders.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
I've got more at home, I just need to get them in my bag. All right, you got almost 10 pounds in your bag now.
It's not bad.
We're started. Got to start somewhere.
Well, I'm beating Mom.
That's true.
Oh, there should be a bounty for the most weight in a family. Dad, you're getting bit. We'd win that. I threw it out a little bit more, like out that way a little bit more because they're kind of throwing rocks right now.
Yeah, we didn't want it right up on the bank anyway.
Yeah. Threw it pretty far out too.
Where'd I put that thing? There it is. Dang it. Dropping stuff.
Always dropping the little plastic thing.
What's the words to that song? She was more like a beauty queen in the disco scene or something like that. Talking about Billie Jean. Can't remember exactly what he says there at the beginning. Something. Thank you very much, Claire. Appreciate your help.
Well, always pops into my mind is that song like Cooper DeJean, not a safety. You heard that?
Maybe?
You know who Cooper DeJean is?
Yeah.
So, he's reading a book on the sideline for the Super Bowl. Where am I putting this over here?
It's in the bucket.
In the bucket.
So what book was he reading on the sideline of the Super Bowl?
I don't know. Last year, my DV coach called me Duper Dezine.
Beauty queen from a movie scene. Movie scene. Disco.
Alright, Dad, so here's the game. I'm gonna say like 5 things, like name a state. And if me and you say the same thing, you're out. And you've lost, alright? So number 1, name a state. 3, 2, 1.
Delaware.
I was Mississippi, so good job. Still in. Alright, name a sport. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Curling.
I was golf. Good.
Just trying to hopefully say things that you won't say. That's what I'm supposed to do, right?
Yeah. Name a country that starts with a...
You're going to end up making me look dumb.
I'm trying to think of a letter that would be good.
I'm going to end up saying like a city instead of a country.
Never mind. Name a continent. Alright. 3.
Continent?
Yeah. 3. It gets hard as you go. 3, 2, 1.
Europe.
Antarctica. Good job. Alright. Now, you just got 2 left.
What's up, Crochet? Doing pretty good. We caught a couple fish. Just got JB his first carp for the tournament. So, I think we caught 3. 2 buffalo and 1 carp. So, 1 fish that counts. And this one got snagged up and broke off, but we are officially retied.
Got it. Alright.
Yeah, he got about a 10 pounder, almost 10 pounds.
I put it back out right when we finish our game. We got 2 more left. Alright. Name a number 1 through 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
6.
Minus 2. Alright, last round. Let's see here. Name a country ending with stand. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Okay.
1.
Afghanistan.
I was gonna say Pakistan. Good job.
That's what
Dad.
see was stuck in my head was Pakistan, and I knew you were going to say Pakistan, so I didn't want to say that one. That's why I had to.
I was gonna
I
say
had to hold you up for a
Afghanistan.
minute.
I was gonna say Afghanistan, but I switched it to Pakistan. Because I was like, Afghanistan, I feel like that's too obvious. I feel like he's gonna pick the second most obvious.
Anyway, how's your day going, crocheting? Hope you're having a good day.
So you got Afghanistan, Pakistan, Palestine.
I feel like something is like, and this is not going to be right, so don't make fun of me. I'm mainly talking to chat. I know you're not going to make fun of me because you won't know either. But it's like Lithuanistan or something like that. Like that's not right, but it's something like that. There's like one that sounds really weird like that. So you don't know for sure. You don't even know if that's really a country or not.
No, it is. It is. I'll let chat say it though.
Yeah.
No, I made a country in civics.
That's good.
I made a country in civics. I called it Tullahallavania. No, I made it because it's
Yeah. Kind of hard.
and we were a theocracy, and it was ran by, I don't remember his name, it was a Christian leader. I thought about just making my leader Jesus, because it did say dead or alive.
Let the thing run all the way up there. Look, on your line. Look on your line.
Oh. Got it. Oh. There we go. Get it. Open her mouth.
Now we're going to have ants up here.
Oh yeah, we will. My bad.
Perfect.
Wasn't me. Wasn't me.
We'll probably end up with ants up here anyway. No, Google Junior knows like all the countries, all 196 of them or whatever it is.
He knows how many there are. He knew that when he was a year younger than me.
But it does change, like it's like 195, 196, and it kind of seems to go back and forth like that.
Where am I casting it and how far?
Kind of not straight out, like barely a little left and kind of far.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah.
About what we're looking for. Yeah, I was going to kind of catch up a little on some of the chats that happened while we had the fish stuff going on and the breaking off and the fish weighing, all the things. 'Cause we definitely missed a few things there. Drive all the way across the town to save 10 cents a gallon on fuel. Fuel prices going up. They'll go back down though, and then they'll go back up again. They go back and forth for sure.
Okay.
Oh, what's up, Barley? How's it going?
Right after
Swiss Army
that.
knife.
Right
Cut
after,
itself.
right after that, I got a new game. We're gonna have to make a team of 5 players from a gas station. Like 5 snacks. You want some drinks? Want some like more fillings? You might want chips. You might want candy. You might want some up. You kind of want to, be well-rounded. So you probably want a diet drink, but you probably want, you probably want a couple things. So, I will let you go first once again. First round pick, right here.
What am I doing? 5 things from a gas station?
Yeah, and you get one pick, not get one pick. You get one pick, I get one.
Okay, Diet Mountain Dew is first.
Take a Diet Mountain Dew. I think I gotta go with the Diet Coke. I feel like that's more loved. I think I gotta go with the Diet Coke. Back to you.
Trail Mix.
Trail Mix. That's a good pick. Get me